the handler. So whenever you toggle the menu, whenever you click the menu, you're going to be changing the way this class, this section of the code works. And the way you're going to be changing this part of the code is whatever is specified in this event handler. So right here, we're still missing that event handler. And to do this event handler, we are going to be going back to the CSS. We are going to be going back a little bit in the toggle. So now in toggle, we're going to type in display none. So with display none, we are hiding the top menu. So if I delete this, it is visible, and now it is not visible. See, display none. So we want it to be visible whenever we have this. So that's why right here we have display as a block. So whenever the width of the screen is greater than 768, we're going to have it hidden. And whenever it is less than that, we are going to have it displayed. But the other menu, we're going to have it hidden, display set to none. So now all we're missing is the handler for the JavaScript functionality. So I'm gonna set it, we're gonna name it active. So dot active. And now the display is gonna be set to block. So we go back to the JavaScript, to the HTML, which is the part of the JavaScript. And right here, all we need to do is set the event handler. So in this case, it's going to be called active. And now, if I didn't do any mistakes, whenever we see, it changes. And now we are able to click it. So now all these are accessible. So we have table. If we click on table, you see how you move me all the way to the table. If you click in facts, it moves you to the top 3 facts. And even in more, you scroll all the way down. So now this site is completely responsible. It can responsive. It is responsive. So now you can access it in different screen sizes, and the toolbar will still work okay. Okay, so now we are done. Let me add some final comments, probably right here, the JavaScript. So right here, we have whenever the site is ready, and now do the following. So whenever the 3 bars, which is the top dot menu, is clicked, we are gonna be activating the call the toggle class handler. And in this case, it is active, which will alter. So we need to keep the comments in one line. So I'll just do this. And I'm gonna hit enter. Which will alter the dot top unorderless class. And we close the comment. There we go. So right here we have the CSS, we have the HTML, and we have the JavaScript functionality so that the little button works. So if we go back, it'll still working. And as you saw, it is now responsive. So we can click on a menu on any screen size. So that's it for today's session. Hope you learned. We covered a little bit of JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. All the files, which is going to be the HTML, the CSS, and the slides, are going to be available for you guys to access in the same bit.ly that we posted on the description of this live stream. And you'll be able to edit them, or you can play with them whenever you guys want. Now, what are the next steps? So for the next steps, I have these little links right here for you guys so that you can increase your knowledge in web development. So right here we have Rhythm School, W3 Schools, Code Academy, and these are mainly focused on web development. And these ones right here, Coursera, Udemy, and Udacity, you can train yourself on any topic you want. They have different programming courses, we have different engineering courses, non-engineering courses, they have courses of everything. And all these are free. Some of the things that are offered in these three are not free, but most of them are free. So I invite you guys to work on yourself and improve your skills during this time. And this is a good opportunity for you guys. These are all free, so feel free to access them. Again, I'm gonna be posting these slides on the little bit.ly link on the description, so you can access them. You don't have to screenshot or anything. And that will be it. Thank you guys. My name is Victor. I work for Gaia. If you have any questions, you can contact me. This is my miners email, and this is the official Gaia email if you guys have more questions. So that will be it for my part. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you learned something.
Well, let's all give thanks to Victor for this great workshop. He really went into detail with a lot of the subject matter that is required in order to build a responsive website. And what makes this a special website is that this website can be deployable in both a web page on a computer and also on mobile devices, whether it be a tablet or a phone. So I hope you all learned something. And if you have any more questions, we'll be having more workshops in the future. And they can all be accessed on the UTEP Gaia Facebook page. And that will be all for today. Signing off.